Crafting a colorful bouquet from pipe cleaners and buttons is not just fun. It's a burst of creativity waiting to unfold right in your hands. Let's dive into a world of colors and shapes where every twist and turn brings something beautiful to life. As you start this project, remember, the beauty of crafting comes alive in your hands. With each button and pipe cleaner, you're not just making decorations, you're weaving together moments of joy and creativity. If you're loving this project and wondering how to make creativity a family habit, we've got just the thing for you. Check out our creative parenting guide linked below. It's filled with tips on setting up your space, finding time for projects, and making crafting an enjoyable part of family life. Pipe cleaners are incredibly versatile, and once you and the kids get the hang of it, we encourage you to invent your own designs. After all, creativity blooms uniquely in each of us. Just like every flower and every family member adds their own special touch, your bouquet will reflect your family's unique blend of creativity and joy. Did our bouquet add a bit of color to your day? Hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up to spread the joy. Just like every unique flower in our bouquet, your support helps our garden of creativity grow. Our handcrafted bouquet came out really nicely. Every flower tells a story. Each color sparks a memory. More than just decor, it's a collection of shared moments, crafted with love and laughter. We had a blast making this bouquet and hope you did too. Ready for more? Click on the playlist for endless fun. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun together.